right, we're just getting ready to start renovating this house, and what I want to go over with you in this video are all the little things that we're fixing, why we're fixing them, you know, about how much it's going to cost, why we're doing it. This is going to be geared more towards helping you understand what to fix and what not to fix. So first thing, roof shingles. You know, besides the fact that you can see that there are loose shingles that have been ripped off from a storm up there, there are also 3-tab shingles, and there's wide gaps between the shingles. You can see big gaps between them. I'm not sure how much you can see it on this video, but this roof is shot. So definitely brand new roof. Second thing, this concrete patio is failing. You know, it's cracked all over the place. Someone's put, you can see where there's original concrete, and then it's been like someone's layered over, you know, put a concrete slurry over the top to try to, you know, make it look nicer. And it's seen the last of its day. So we're gonna rip that off and put new in. We're gonna spend somewhere around $6,000 on concrete from here up to the front porch, rip it out and redo it. So definitely doing that. The roof gonna be somewhere, because this is an older house. It was built in 1952, and I know that there's probably slats up there instead of roof sheathing. The roof's gonna cost somewhere between $6,500 and $8,500. So when we include the back garage, this detached garage, we're probably going to end up around 10 grand. So we budgeted 10 grand for the roof. Let's see, what else should we look at out here before we go inside? It definitely needs a yard, right? So we're budgeted about $8,000 for sod and mulch and a sprinkler system. You know, carpet on the ground's not really good enough. We're gonna put a fence in across the front here. And so between the front fence and the front, and we're gonna replace the chain link across the back. We've got somewhere around like $4,500 worth of fencing that we're gonna do. We're gonna paint this existing back garage. We're putting new siding on the house. Pretty new siding because we want to hit a market value closer to what like our neighbors have here on this side. This one's pretty nice right next to us. It sold for a good price. This vinyl plank siding is just not going to cut it. So we're ripping all that off. We're putting new siding on, and we're going to spend somewhere around $7,500 on the siding. So that's the exterior of this one. Let's head on inside. This is a great house for lessons learned, right? There's lots of little things about this one. There were black spots all over the walls where you see these, where it's all cut out now, and where look past the ductwork. The guys just started working on ductwork in the basement, but there was mold on the walls. It's just like little black pieces. So we had mold remediation done. So that's a mess I made, just trying to see if this was a structural wall. But mold remediation cost $3,500, and that was just so we had the paperwork to show, like, yes, we saw mold, we took care of it. We have a certificate that says no mold. It was tested, and when the work was done and passed, and so we've got that paper record, and that's important in case there's problems moving forward with mold in this property. You know, I don't know what caused the mold in the first place. So we remediated it, we can show that, and that, you know, gets rid of a lot of liability. So this kitchen, we're gonna take this wall out. This wall goes, brand new kitchen. We're gonna extend the cabinets out to here and have a walkway here. So with this wall gone, that's our walkway. Cabinets extend out to this bump out here. And assuming there probably won't even be a bump out, but the cabinets will go over here. This will all be gone. This will be an island, and we have our dining area on the other side. Well, ripping all of these cabinets out, ripping that drop soffit out, new appliances, new cabinets and countertops. We are going to gut this bathroom. It's going to cost us somewhere around $6,000. We have pedestal sink and doing all the fixtures. By the time we're done, we've got about 6 grand in there. Bathroom, or the kitchen, we've got about $7,500 in cabinets and countertops, and then another 3 in appliances, or just over 10,000 there. We're gonna put new luxury vinyl plank floor over the top of this existing floor, new baseboards over the top of that, and that'll be in the living room, down the hall, down this hall. We're gonna carpet the bedrooms. So all in on our luxury vinyl plank floor, somewhere around $5,000 with labor and material and trim and everything, all that. Down here, this is where we've got the most work in this house. We need this to be finished space in order to get top of market. And it just makes sense. The money we're gonna spend finishing this is definitely worth it. So we're putting in a new furnace, we're rerunning gas lines, we're rerunning this so it's up in the ceiling joist so we can get the head space. And we're gonna make this one big living room area. We're gonna rip down that wall. So just one big area there. We'll have 2 bedrooms, that bedroom door, and then this will be a hall that turns and hall over to a bedroom. There'll be a wall here. That's gonna be unfinished. That's gonna be the laundry area. But coming over here into the bedroom, we have one big room now. We're gonna split this up and have 2 bedrooms. So bedroom. Something to note, we are not gonna put egress windows in. We don't have to. Comps don't say we have to. You know, is it a legal bedroom without it? It's not, it's definitely not. This is gonna be a 4-bedroom, 2 of them are gonna be non-conforming. Someone finished this space without a permit at some point along the way, and we're leaving it that way. So we'll have those 2 bedrooms, and they're non-conforming bedrooms, and we'll just list it that way. Here the concrete's heaving, which I don't know how well that's showing up in this video, but it's kind of heaved up here. And so we're gonna bust all this out of here, jackhammer it, report this circle here so it's low and level through the whole basement. Over here, we've got a bedroom or a bathroom that has been added at some point, and it's actually not that bad. We're gonna finish the drywall finish. The drywall looks all crappy, so we're gonna give that some love, but in a new floor, we don't want really the brick floor. But I think we'll leave the tile in the shower alone and have a nice shower space there. So that's what we're up to in this house. We're gonna finish this basement. I look forward to showing it to you when we're all done. So when you're looking at houses, if the comps show that you can finish out the basement, put new siding, new windows, roofing in, and you can get that top of market, you know, in this case, we're gonna add about $125,000 worth of value, and our all-in cost somewhere around $65,000 is my guess. So light switcher, that's upstairs. So spending 65 and you're getting double your money back out is always a good idea. So that's the plan with this house, and you should look at trying to do the same thing with your properties. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in this one again when it's all done.